Let's look back at the decade. To be specific, it has to be about mixing vintage, larger-than-life zest with Bollywood's newfound zeal for realism. Before we present the top 10 list of the decade of films, please subscribe our channel Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood and do not forget to click on the bell button. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, like and follow our channel Sharmila Maiti Official. Also do not forget to share the video. When we are talking about the top 10 list of the decade, how can we miss out Dabangg? Here we are talking of the first film of the series. Super Cop Chulbul Pandey redefined the comic action hero and also made Salman Khan Bollywood's biggest superstar. Although over 3 films, the originality of entertainment has gone southward. The original film continues to be popular as ever. Starring Salman Khan with Sonakshi Sinha in her debut role, the Abhinav Kashyap directorial created a storm, collecting rupees 145 crore in India. The second in the list has to be the 2012 film Kahani. With the Vidya Balan starrer, filmmaker Sujay Ghosh showed what he is capable of when it came to serving up a truly original and realistic Bollywood thriller. Popular Bengali actor Shashwat Chatterjee left a mark as Bob Biswas, and a largely Bengali cast including talented names as Porombrata Chatterjee, Dhritiman Chatterjee, Indranil Sengupta and Khairaj Mukherjee added authenticity to the Kolkata-based storyline alongside Nawazuddin Siddiqui. And Kahani is one of the best mystery thrillers in the history of cinema worldwide. The film collected rupees 59 crores in India. The third in the list is the 2013 film The Lunchbox. The film, directed by Ritesh Batra, won Viewers' Choice Award at the Cannes Film Festival's Critics' Week section, besides many other global accolades. Starring Irfan Khan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Nimrat Kaur, the film is extremely relatable as a middle-class story, especially for those residing in Mumbai. The phenomenal success of The Lunchbox without the presence of any A-lister Bollywood star came as a surprise to many. The small budget film earned around 22 crores at the Indian box office. Fourth in the list is the 2014 film Queen. The Vikas Bail directorial came as a slap on the face of patriarchal society. It showed the world that gone are the days of the weeping, hapless woman who is ditched by her groom-to-be. Kangana Ranaut shows the transformation of such a demure, conservative young woman to one who learns to live life on her own terms. Kangana and Lisa Hayden won accolades for their performance, while Rajkumar Rao impressed even in a small role. The film collected 61 crore at the domestic box office and was a super hit. Fifth in the list has to be the 2015 film Dum Laga Ke Haisha. The romantic comedy film with a strong social message broke all stereotypes with its subject and with debutant actress Bhumi Pednekar putting on weight for the role of an overweight bride. The Sharat Kataria directorial turned Ayushmann Khurrana into a star and established Bhumi Pednekar as a talented actress in Bollywood. The film collected 30 crores in India. Sixth in the list is the 2016 film Pink. The Aniruddha Roy Choudhury directorial received widespread critical acclaim for touching upon the very relevant subject of sexual harassment of women in the present-day Indian society. The film established Taapsee Pannu as a bankable star in Bollywood. Even her co-star Amitabh Bachchan was impressed with Taapsee's performance. The film became a super hit and did a business of 68 crores in India. Seventh in the list is the 2017 film Newton. The black comedy can certainly be counted as one of Rajkumar Rao's best performances and was showered with love both by critics and audiences. Pankaj Tripathi, one of the finest actors Indian cinema has ever seen, also grabbed eyeballs. The Amit Masurkar directorial made on a small budget collected Rs 22.18 crores in India. Eighth in the list is the 2018 film Andhadhun. The Sriram Raghavan film, which won Ayushmann Khurrana a national award as Best Actor, was the most unconventionally entertaining thriller of the decade. Tabu as the antagonist and Radhika Apte in a prop but interesting role were in superb form. Ninth in the list is the 2018 film Stree. Another female-oriented script which stood out in an array of male-dominated movies was Amar Kaushik's Stree. The horror comedy with a strong social message starred Shraddha Kapoor, Rajkumar Rao, Pankaj Tripathi and Aparshakti Khurrana in key roles. The film was an instant hit at the box office and collected 129.67 crores in India. 10th in the list is the 2019 film Uri the Surgical Strike. 2019 was another year which delivered so many good films. Aditya Dhar's Uri the Surgical Strike is based on India's surgical strike against militant launch pads along the line of control in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir in September 2016. The film starring Vicky Kaushal, Yami Gautam, Paresh Rawal and Mohit Rana received critical acclaim and love from the audience for paying a fitting tribute to the Indian Army.